What's up YouTube? This is Yun Arrigo from Philippines. Today I'll be showing you how to make an easy font. This video is for editing stuff. Then this app, download this for free and in Play Store. The name is Pixelab. Then we're gonna press this. At save the session is available. Cancel. The first, we should gonna pick and color green. Mine, I want yellow plus yellow. Where's the yellow? Oh, there. This is, and we should make the text bigger. Like that. Double tap, and my name in YouTube channel is Yun Arrigo, and the font is okay. I should put this here like that. We should make it in the center, and we will put a what did I mean is the color of hue like that. Minus. No, okay, this is, and at here should put the image size, custom YouTube channel banner, not thumbnail, like that, and I should put it at the center like that, and like that, guys, and your product is ready now. And thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like and hit that bell notification button so that you don't miss any video from me. Bye.
Hold up.